Hello everyone. Before diving into today's topic, we'd like to take a moment to thank you for your support. Every like, comment, and subscription truly makes a difference and helps this channel grow. If you enjoy our content and don't want to miss our upcoming videos, subscribe to the channel and activate the bell to receive all notifications. There are cities that seem made to be admired, others to be lived in. And then there's St. Petersburg, which manages to do both with an almost unreal elegance. Founded on water, suspended between history and modernity, St. Petersburg isn't just Russia's second-largest city, it's a world apart. A place where every corner tells a piece of imperial history, every canal reflects dreams and battles, every sunset along the banks of the Neva ignites emotions that are hard to forget. If your country isn't particularly small, you probably have more than one famous city besides the capital. In Italy, for example, Rome and Naples represent two different souls of the same country. In England, London and Manchester coexist in balance. In Spain, Madrid and Barcelona vie for the spotlight. And in Russia? Next to the majestic Moscow, there's St. Petersburg, which in many ways manages to capture the hearts of visitors even more. Located in the northwestern part of Russia, St. Petersburg covers an area of over 1,400 square kilometers and is home to around 6 million inhabitants, making it the fourth most populous city in Europe. The capital, Moscow, with its 12 million residents, is second only to Istanbul, which tops the list with over 18 million. Yet, despite its relatively smaller size, St. Petersburg exerts an extraordinary charm, capable of outshining, at least in the hearts of many, its greatest rival. One of its main strengths is its geographical location. It's the Russian metropolis closest to Europe. Located just below Finland and only a few hours' drive from Baltic countries like Estonia, it offers its residents the unique opportunity to easily move between two worlds, living a life that blends Russia and Europe. Those with the right documents can find themselves in European territory within a couple of hours. Another undeniable advantage over Moscow is its direct access to the sea. While the capital is crossed only by rivers, St. Petersburg majestically faces the Gulf of Finland and, beyond it, the Baltic Sea. This connection to the sea enriches city life, offering endless opportunities for leisure, from evening strolls on city beaches to summer swims, from admiring endless sunsets over the Gulf to water activities. If only the summers were a bit longer, the climate here changes rapidly. St. Petersburg would probably be one of the most sought-after seaside destinations in the world. Despite this, the city is anything but dull in the colder months. St. Petersburg is alive and vibrant throughout the year. Its streets and squares come alive in every season with events and festivals. The atmosphere recalls that of an open-air museum, where architectural elegance blends with the warmth and beauty of the people. The Russians who live here take great care of their appearance, love to dress stylishly, practice sports, and are famously sociable, making it easy to form new friendships. Another element that contributes to the magic of visiting St. Petersburg is its relationship with water. Besides the sea, the city is traversed by the Neva River, which originates from Lake Ladoga to the east and splits into three branches before flowing into the Gulf of Finland. This creates a unique urban geography, with 42 main islands, each with its own name and character. Connected by a dense network of bridges. There are almost 500. It's no wonder St. Petersburg is often called the Venice of Russia, with its 55 canals that offer enchanting views and romantic atmospheres. Many of the elegant residences along these canals belong or once belonged to the Russian elite. Some historic buildings, now considered obsolete, are sold for staggering sums. In some cases, properties reach up to $50 million. One of the most famous natural phenomena in St. Petersburg is the white nights. During the summer months, from May to July, the sun never fully sets. Days seem endless, with over 19 hours of daylight, and the city lives in a kind of collective euphoria. Numerous events and festivals accompany this period, transforming St. Petersburg into an international hub of culture, music, and entertainment. The city boasts a glorious past. For over 200 years, it was the capital of the Russian Empire, founded by Tsar Peter the Great in 1703. At the time, it was just a swamp, but Peter, inspired by his travels in Europe and especially in love with Venice, decided to build a city that would be Russia's gateway to the West. The name, Peter, comes from the Tsar himself, while Berg comes from the German word for castle. Over the centuries, St. Petersburg has been a cultural beacon for the entire country. Its first university dates back to 1724, and today the city boasts over 40 universities. St. Petersburg State University, the most famous, is a landmark for engineering and the humanities. History enthusiasts will probably recall the name Leningrad. This is what St. Petersburg was renamed in 1924, in honor of Lenin. During World War II, the city heroically resisted a 900-day siege, enduring immense suffering but never surrendering. In 1991, after the dissolution of the USSR, the city returned to its original name. St. Petersburg is a true treasure trove of architectural beauty. Its imperial buildings, often in shades of white and brown, gracefully adorn every street. The famous Nevsky Prospekt is the city's beating heart, clean, orderly, steeped in history and charm. Strolling along it, it's impossible to resist the temptation to take pictures at every step. Social life here is intense. Parks and cafes fill up with people spending time together, especially on weekends. In the evenings, the streets come alive with luxury cars and young people looking for fun. Despite the often elegant and refined appearance, many residents face economic challenges. Rents are very high, easily reaching 150,000 rubles per month, about $1,500. For this reason, many families have several members working to make ends meet. For those who choose to live in the surrounding areas, new residential districts like Kudrovo offer more affordable apartments in modern high-rises. Public transport also lives up to the city's reputation. St. Petersburg's metro is not only functional but also a true underground masterpiece. Its 54 stations, decorated with marble, mosaics, and opulent chandeliers, are a source of pride for the city. From Moscow, St. Petersburg can be reached in about 5 hours by train. Cruise passengers can enjoy a visa-free stay for 72 hours, making it an ideal opportunity to explore. A small warning: if you love the sun, be aware that the climate here is often gray and rainy. The umbrella will become your faithful companion. Finally, St. Petersburg is an epicenter of art and culture, with hundreds of museums and historical monuments, including the legendary Hermitage Museum, the Kazan Cathedral, and the sumptuous Peterhof Palace. It offers endless opportunities for cultural enrichment. With a highly educated population and a vibrant urban fabric, St. Petersburg remains one of the most fascinating cities not only in Russia but in all of Europe. Those who visit often fall in love with it, and once they return home, can't wait to come back and immerse themselves again in its wonders.